Kubikwa ukuthi uMthethwa wayelele egunjini laleli hotela eyinsukwini nje ngaphambi kokuthi isidumbu sakhe sitholwe unogada. Okutholwe uphenyo okwamanje ukuthi wawa kulesi sitezi sama-22 sehotela emahoreni nje emva kokuthumela umkakhe umlayezo wokuthi uhlela ukuzibulala futhi exolisa.
I think he was apologizing if this is a suicide. I'm sure that's what he was apologizing for, that is getting her through the pain that we see.
Umndeni kaMthethwa uthi awukholwa ukuthi uzibulale ngenxa yokuvela kwegama lakhe esigcawini sekhomishana kaMadlanga.
Ambassador Mthethwa had dealt with even more difficult things, right? This one, I think, was that's the conversation that we had. I recorded this thing and we played back and forth. If the commission wants to call you, but there is a list we started circulating, but it was more of a social media thing. People saying, yeah, once these are the people who are going to appear before the commission and so on. You know what happens in the social media. There was that list, but formally there wasn't anything as far as we know which had been communicated to him.
Miningi ke imibuzo ngokuzibulala kwakhe.
We understand that this is important because we must inform people. We must tell people everybody is anxious. We just realize now that, in fact, that's what people say. I say, if not knew how people loved him.
Isidumbu sikaMthethwa sesihlonziwe ngokomthetho. Umndeni unethemba lokuthi isidumbu sakhe sizobuyiswa ekhaya ngesonto elizayo, njengoba ulinde nokuthi iphele imdandi ukuze ususe emakhazeni kahulumeni usise emakhazeni azimele ozoziqokela wona.
I think if we finish Monday, latest Wednesday we go. Yeah, because it's a question of getting the boat into, and the government is government to government type of a relation. So I think Wednesday. I don't think I'm being optimistic because I think they may finish earlier than Tuesday or Monday.
Amalungiselelo omngcwabo kaMthethwa abengakaqinisekiswa.